Hi guys, I received some comments saying my tutorials are a little too fast for beginners, so I'm making a series of basic stitches. So if you are a beginner, you can learn everything from scratch. Today is about the chain stitch. To make a chain, we are gonna start with a knot. So grab your yarn tail and bring it back to form a little circle. Fold the circle down on your working yarn so that the working yarn is in the middle of the circle. Then bring the working yarn through the circle. Now pull both the working yarn and the yarn tail to create an adjustable knot. Insert your hook. I'm gonna do it again. Form a circle, fold it down, use the hook to bring the yarn through the circle, pull both yarn to seal the knot and adjust if needed. The hook should be able to glide through the loop easily like this. Now we need to create tension on the working yarn, so just ignore the yarn tail. Your index finger go under the yarn and keep the yarn between your index and middle fingers. For some kinds of yarn, this is enough to create tension. However, I usually wrap it one more time around my little finger for extra tension. So when I move my left hand away, the yarn will slide through my fingers like this. When you get used to it, you can get your fingers in the position very fast, like this. Now let's make the chain. Your hook is towards yourself and the working yarn is far away. Now you turn the hook to bring the yarn on top of your hook. The hook's gonna grab the yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. The V shape right under the loop on your hook is the first chain. One more time. The yarn over your hook pulling it through the loop on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Repeat yarn over and pull through until you have the desired number of chain stitches. If you make the chain too tight, it's gonna be hard to work into for the next rows, and if you make it too loose, it may look messy, so you may want to keep the tension even. If this is your first time, don't worry if it's not. You will get the uniform chains soon after some practices. The chain stitch is the foundation to start working on other stitches. It is also the turning chains at the beginning of the new rows. That's how to make the chain stitch. Get some time to practice for yourself, and I will see you in the next videos.